Can a credit union really make a difference in the lives of its members? We think so. California Coast presents From the Heart.
It reads, "My name is Danielle. I've been a member of Cal Coast for over 20 years. And when they first started the financial fitness program, I was pregnant with my second daughter. When I first started the program, I was immature, didn't take my finances seriously, and she dropped out of the program. And this happens a lot.
All the time.
As time went by, I realized my finances were a mess, and it was beyond my control. Almost 2 years ago, I reached back out to Tara Lynn and explained to her how I really needed to be in the program, and I would do everything that she told me to do. Second chances are a great thing. When I started the program, I think my credit score was in the 400s. So she goes on to say, with the help of Tara Lynn, I'm now able to properly read my credit score, budget my monthly bills, and I have 2 savings accounts with available funds. So she's saved money. She also helped me get a loan to consolidate my bills, help boost my credit. She says that I was also approved for a $10,000 car loan through California Coast.
Wow.
I couldn't have done any of these things without the help of Tara Lynn and the financial fitness program through California Coast Credit Union. This program will change your life if you take it seriously. And my plan is to continue to stay in the program and keep moving forward. The most important thing she has taught me is how important it is to save for your future and the future of our loved ones. Awesome. Tara Lynn's going to stick with her until she's in the shape that she can do this all on her own.
Recognizing that she needed to do something it's a big step.
Absolutely. And it's great to see that our branch staff is trained to recognize this and refer the members over to the financial counselors. And it's free. I think people don't realize that the credit score is so important and it stays with you for the rest of your life. And if you have a low credit score, it's going to cost you more to get a loan.
What a success story.
This is what we're here for.
But good for Danielle.
What a great story.